Hello, lovely English learners. I'm crossing the road. Let's be careful. So, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking to people about their daily routines. Some exciting news on the channel is we are starting a Patreon, so you can become a member of the channel by joining. And you have a ton of different perks that you can use. Ton of different perks that we're working on, such as vocabulary lists and different things that are available to you as a subscriber, as a channel member. There you go. So, without any further ado, and I'm waffling on, that's good vocab, let's get to it. So, please describe your daily routine.
I tend to wake up fairly late. Well, actually, I wake up fairly early. I get up fairly late. Breakfast, and then bizarrely, I leap in the car to go for a walk.
Okay.
Which is a bit sad, but.
So, describe your daily routine for us.
Well, I guess in term time, we'll get up, maybe do some training, some rowing, and then we'll do a bit of work in the morning, have lunch together, and then a bit more work in the afternoon, and then some time off in the evening.
Oh right, okay. I wake up about 9 a.m. I make a black coffee. I have my first meeting at 9:30. Then on lunch I go for a walk, and then after that I probably go for another walk because that's COVID, you know, it changes your behaviour. And then I have dinner. It sounds like a really boring day. Then I have dinner, watch programme. That's like a midweek day.
I'm a civil servant, so I work mostly 9 till 5, and I study for an accounting qualification. So I tend to either study in the evenings or cook dinner, exercise when I can, and then see my girlfriend as well. So.
Yeah. Please describe your daily routine.
So I sometimes get up in the morning and go to the gym. Okay. I sometimes get up in the morning and go to work, or just work. A lot of it is work. I'll do some exercise in the evening if I haven't done it in the morning.
Okay.
Watch some telly at night time and then get ready and go to bed.
Well, I get up, get dressed, go for a walk or a run, and then sit at my desk for 8 hours a day.
Okay. Do you work from home then?
Yes, at the minute working from home. So I work for a large professional services firm, tax advisor.
First I'm doing my exercises.
Good.
I like to do yoga in the morning, and then I have a shower, and then I do my breakfast, and then I'm going out if I'm not working.
Okay. Civil servant, not everyone will know what that means.
Sure.
Can you describe that for us?
So I basically work for the government. Whatever the politicians that we have elected want to do, we basically enact that. We do what they want to do, I guess. We're kind of the machinery of government, I guess, is one way of calling it.
For walks in the park at lunchtime at all?
On occasion, or to the supermarket. I try and get out and about while I'm working from home.
Yourself?
I tend to wake up anywhere between 5 and 6 a.m. depending on what my kids do.
Okay.
We get them changed. It's very much a rush in the morning. My partner's a teacher, so he's really rushing to get out the door as well. We're out by 7:30, get to the nursery, I drop them off, and then I do a celebratory dance after I've dropped them off. I swear about them a bit, and I probably ring one of my sisters or my mum. Get home, sit down at laptop, start working. Same four walls pretty much 5 days a week.
And yourself?
Well, we live together and we have a very very mundane lifestyle in term time. We do a lot of rowing, so there's sometimes morning rowing and evening rowing, and nothing too interesting on the weekdays.
So your daily routine for us?
Daily routine, I get up at 9 o'clock, I'm retired.
Okay.
But, my husband and I have a different routine every single day.
Okay.
We've just come back from Blakeney. We've got a motorhome, so we go off camping. We're going to Spain on Monday, so everything's different.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, but we, like everybody else, we get out a lot with the dog.
Roughly the same, except I'm retired, so quite a bit of the time I'm up once I'm out, either go play golf, or say if I'm walking or shopping or doing various other really things.
Very nice activities.
Gardens, food gardens.
And same question about getting up. What time do you get up?
At the same time as my wife.
I have trouble walking, and the pavements and the up down of the curb make it impossible for me to get to the nice area to walk.
Of course, yeah. I mean, you can also access better areas as well, I guess.
So I get it to the local park and then have a wander around the park for an hour or so.
Yes, you do.
Which is
the
good.
Local park right here. Very nice.
I don't live anywhere near here.
Oh, this isn't local to you, is it? Okay.
No, I'm just up for the day.
Okay.
So I'm driving someone around up here during the day. So.
Lovely, okay.
I like to spend time out, going to parks, visit some friends.
Switch, perhaps.
Yeah.
When you can, yeah. Do you think it's important to have a daily routine?
I think it helps in terms of getting things done. When you have a lot going on, it's nice to be able to have a plan. If you've got time off, it's nicer just to relax a bit and take things a bit more slowly, I'd say.
Yeah.
I find it helps, yeah. Yeah, I think with waking up at the same time every day, it certainly helps me be awake in time for work, and yeah, just gives you mental straightness, I guess. I don't know.
Do you think it's really important to have a daily routine?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, why would that be?
Give structure to the day.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Structure to the day, so you're doing what you're going to be doing 1 minute for the next, so yeah.
And with working from home, I think it is quite important to have some sort of schedule if you want to get work done, because otherwise it's very easy to just sit around, watch YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. What time do you get up usually?
Well, it depends. If I'm going to the gym, I'm up at 6.
Okay.
If I'm not, I'm up at 7.
Nice and early. So you don't do gym and school work in the same day, do you?
I do. I
Okay.
do. Yes, I will. Yeah, I work full time.
Okay. And so you said you wake up early.
Yeah.
What time is waking up early for you?
About 6 o'clock.
Okay.
And then probably get up 9:10, which is not that late, I suppose, but it's late compared to when I wake up.
Yeah.
We get up, if rowing is on, around between 6 and 7 o'clock, and on the weekends maybe a bit later, between 8 and 9 maybe.
Sounds like a lovely lion. Have you been rowing today?
No.
Oh, okay. No worries. Okay. So what time do you usually get up?
7 o'clock.
Okay. Is that in the weekdays or the weekends?
Weekdays.
So it's
Yeah.
different the weekends?
About 8 at the weekend.
Usually I wake up at 8 o'clock
Okay.
in the morning,
Yeah.
around.
Okay. What time do you wake up? That's a good question.
About 7:30.
Okay. Is
Yeah.
that the same on the weekends?
Probably a bit later, slightly, if I can.
On the weekends?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yep.
And does your routine change at the weekend as well?
Not really, no. More golf.
More golf. How do you feel about the more golf?
Great.
Yeah?
Get peace.
Smell the house a bit.
Yeah.
Lovely. Different weekend then?
Different, sleep in a bit, like maybe a different activity, maybe meet some friends and I don't know, play some sport, or like depending, maybe another walk, definitely some alcohol, some pub, probably a bit more laughter, more friendships, and more alcohol.
Okay, sounds good.
The weekend, it's slightly more freedom, not as much with kids, and if I've got a hangover, I'm in a lot of trouble. So that's
Okay.
probably what my days and week look like.
Sounds good. Do you go for walks in the park at lunchtime as well?
I try to get out, definitely. I think it's good for your mind. Yeah.
Very
Not during the day. I'll go out by myself.
Lovely.
It's really nice to spend a minute alone by yourself. It's like the best thing when you've got kids.
But on the weekends we get up, go grab coffee. In the morning go to brunch with friends, and it's a bit more relaxed, less scheduled.
Does your routine change at the weekend?
Usually, no, actually, depends, because I'm working in a restaurant, so depends on my day off.
Yeah.
So
Okay, yeah, so sometimes you get a weekend and sometimes no.
yeah.
Okay. And daily routine, does it change on the
That
weekend?
is my daily routine. No, we don't know what day it is.
Yeah, I've heard that it just kind of rolls into one once you retire.
Yeah.
Sounds great. Right,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Okay.
Appreciate it. And weekends, does it change at all, your daily routine?
Not really. No, I don't work at the weekends, but I do go to run club in the mornings on a Saturday, and Sunday generally I'll be out on my bike or I'll be having a day off.
Wonderful. Okay. Anything else at all to add?
No, I think that's it.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
No problem at all.
Is your routine different at the weekends?
No. Since I've been retired, unfortunately,
Okay.
it's the weekends sort of merge into the week.
Yeah.